Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you guys how I made this yummy goodness. So this is all you're going to be needing. I have my chicken. This is a chicken breast. I already cut everything. The carrots, the cabbage. I have this. What is it called? The bread thing. Oh my god, I can't remember the name. I'm a mess. Okay, that's it. And you're also going to need some red sauce, some mayonnaise, and some ketchup. So right now I'm adding my oil. This is avocado oil. I honestly use this mostly for cooking. I barely use vegetable oil, and I added some sesame oil, and then I'm going to be putting in my chicken just to cook that, and when it's well done, take that out. So I'm going to be seasoning this. This is where I put in all my seasoning. At this point, I'm going to be putting in all my seasonings, and I'm going to leave everything down in the description box, so don't rush yourself, don't even bother. Everything will be in the description box, so it will be easier for you to just follow if you want to do yours. So I'm adding my black pepper as usual. If you've been watching my video, you know I use this a whole lot, especially when I'm making anything spicy. So I'm going to be adding this. I'm putting in my onion, granulated oil onion. I'm going to be putting some garlic, just anything you want to use for yours, because I don't know why people think you must cook exactly like someone else. Like, do yours, just know the basic, and then you can add your little, your own spice to it. Just do what you want to do. And I'm going to be using my knorr cubes, my chicken cubes, then powder, chicken powder. Why do I keep forgetting? I'm going to be using this chicken powder and everything. I'm going to mix that all in. So I forgot to say the name of what I was cooking in the beginning. So how did I say that? I don't think so. So now we have here the chicken is done, and now I have this. So I'm going to be mixing in my cabbage, my carrots, and the chicken, the already cooked chicken in. I'm going to mix in everything together, and then that is when you want to add in all your ketchup, your hot sauce, and your mayonnaise in. This is, you can use beef for this. This is samosa basically, so you can use beef for this, but I decided to use chicken. You can use whatever, beef, chicken, whatever you feel works for you, whatever you eat, you can use that. So but I decided to use chicken, so let's call this chicken samosa, okay? All right, so now you're going to add everything that you need in, and you're going to be mixing everything. And I'm going to be using this bread wrap. Oh, what the hell is the name of this thing? I don't know why I can't remember the name. But you already know it. I got this from Walmart as well. So you have to mix that properly until everything is like properly mixed in, and then let me show you guys how I make the wrap. Um, so I open that up, and then I'm going to be cutting it into two equal parts. So there we have more to deal with. So we have more wrappers for the samosa. So I'm going to be cutting that into two equal parts. So this is my flour and my corn flour. I mixed both of them. I mean, you can use just flour, but I noticed that mixing the both of them seals it up real good. Using only the flour does not really seal it up the way I want to. So this is how you fold it. Just look properly in case you don't know how to. So this is how you fold it. Now I'm going to be applying my flour and corn flour mix on there, and then sealing it up. So that's basically, see what it is, how it looks, and that's basically what I'm going to be doing with all of it. Put in a few spoons, or let me say like 2 tablespoons of your mixture, your chicken mix in there, and then wrap it up. So here I'm going to be adding my applying my mixture again and then wrapping it, sealing it up, so that way it doesn't have anywhere to leak out from or anything. Just it's just secure. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of the wrap as well before frying. So this is what it looks like when you're done wrapping up everything. Look at how good that looks, you guys. And now you're going to heat up your vegetable oil, and after that you're going to be putting that in. I should have used a bigger pan. I mean, if you have one, use it, but this was what I had at the point, so I just used what I had. So you're going to be frying that. You can fry each side for about, you know, 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or just fry until it's kind golden brown as usual. So that's what I do, and it depends on how you like yours. I like mine a little bit more. If you've been following me on this page, you know I kind of like mine a little more brown, kind of. So I'm going to be flipping to the other side and frying it on the other side as well for about 2 to 3 minutes, or 2 minutes honestly. So guys, this is what you have on here. Let me show you guys this goodness. You need to try this out and let me know if you did. Leave any food suggestion or anything you want, any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. If I am on also, if whenever I'm not on YouTube, I am on Instagram at Cook with Ada. So go follow me on Instagram. Look at this yummy goodness, you guys. I'll definitely see you guys. Bye.